Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to showcase 5 shortcuts that you can use in SolidWorks to make your SolidWorks experience a little bit easier and faster. So I'm going to open up a new part, and if I hit R on the keyboard, I can open up my recent documents. Did you know that you can click on the Z key and the Shift Z key to zoom in and zoom out on models? Ever have a really complicated sketch, but you don't want to keep zooming in and out on it? Hit the G key on your keyboard. It brings up a magnifying glass that you can drag around in order to get a closer look at dimensions, lines, and etc. You can even make changes to your sketch inside of the magnifying glass window. Hate having to switch between so many open documents? You can click Control Tab on your keyboard to bring up an open documents list. Hit the Tab button to switch between them. This one is the simplest, but arguably the best tool. Click the L button on your keyboard to bring out a sketch line.